Hi guys, welcome to another special sounds video. Please join me as we say our purple chart words and sounds, and I will teach you our new one at the very end. Ready, begin. W in whale, W-H. H in who, W-H. Ch in patch, T-C-H. Ear in ear, E-A-R. Air in bear, E-A-R. In earth, E-A-R. Old in gold, O-L-D. In lamb, M-B. Oo in flew and oo in few, E-W. E in rainy, Y. In bigger, E-R. And the one we're going to learn today is we know if something is big or something is bigger, that means you're comparing two things. But if you're comparing three things like this, it would be which animal is the biggest. So our sound is est in biggest, E-S-T. Remember, we always start with a root word, which is the word we're going to begin with, and then the suffix est is added at the end of the root word to make a new word. So we have big at the beginning. But if we compare three things, a turtle, a bear, or an elephant, which one is the biggest? The elephant. So the elephant is the biggest animal when we compare more than two things, okay? So let's say it together. Est in biggest, E-S-T. Try it again. Est in biggest, E-S-T. Nice job. Now what we're going to do is you're going to need that paper and pencil so we can write down these new words and find the root word and the special sound. So join me as we do that. Take out that paper and pencil and let's look at our first word. All right, here it is. If you need to, pause the video, underline the root word, and circle the suffix est. All right, now did you do that? Let's check your work and see how you did. Okay, is this what you did? Let's check it. We've got the root word here and then est is the suffix, so let's sound it out. This one, the I is going to be long, and it breaks one of the rules that we normally would say if, but in this case, it breaks the rules and it says I. So let's sound it out. K-ein, k-eind, k-eind, kind, kind. My sister is very kind. Now let's go ahead and try adding the suffix est. Kind est, kindest, kindest. Now this would be if I were comparing my sister with all of the other people out there. So my sister is the kindest friend. So out of all the friends, she is the kindest, okay? So now I want you to use kindest in a sentence. Who is the kindest person you know? Good. All right, let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, here we go. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to. Write down this word, underline the root word, and circle the suffix. Remember, the suffix comes at the end of a word. Okay, let's check your work. Is this what you circled and underlined? If you did, nice work. Let's check it and sound it out. Remember, we know the SH together says shh. So shh, and there's that bossy R. So shh, or short, short. I am a short teacher. But let's add the EST and see how it sounds. Shortest, 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 shortest. I am the shortest member of my family. Shortest. Now you go ahead and use the word shortest in a sentence. I compared me with myself with my whole family, and there's more than 2 of us. So I am the shortest. All right, nice. Let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, go ahead and pause the video, write this down. Underline the root word and circle the suffix est. All right, how did you do? Let's check your work and see. All right, is this what you did? Awesome, let's check it and sound it out. Remember, OU together says ow, so ow and out. Now let's sound it out. We've got l, oud, loud, loud, loud. The trumpet is a very loud instrument. Loud. Now let's go ahead and add est. Loudest, loudest, loudest. When we cheer for our team, our class was the loudest team. Loudest. So we compared our team with other teams when we did our jogathon. Now let's go ahead and hear your sentence. Awesome. I love it. Let's do one more. Okay, pause the video, underline the root word, and circle the special sound. Okay, did you do it? Let's check your work. Here we go. Okay, is this what you underlined? Let's sound it out. This one is another vowel that doesn't follow the normal rules that we know in kindergarten. This one says t-all, tall, tall. Like my brother is very tall. But if we add the est, let's see how this word changes. Tallest, tallest, tallest. My uncle is the tallest member of my family. Tallest, tallest. Now you go ahead and use the word tallest in a sentence. I want to hear your sentence now. Awesome. Great. Well, nice work today. We learned all about our new suffix est in biggest, est, and keep watching the videos and keep working hard, and we will see you in our next video. Bye-bye, guys.